Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how I took $10 to more than $150 in one trade on VIX 75 index. So kindly watch this video to the end. I will show you how I was able to trade it using smart money concept. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, follow, and also if you know someone that is struggling with trading volatility index, kindly share this video to the person. So let's get to how I do it. These are the 4 things I did to analyze the pair to give me that maximum result I got. So the first thing I did was I analyzed the market structure on the daily, on the 4 hours, as well as the 15 minutes time frame. The second thing is to look at price level and reaction on 4 hours and daily time frame, and also I look at premium and discount of a price range, as well as looking at the PD array, which is premium and discount array, such as order block and fair value gap on the chart before entry. And also my trade entry and confirmation was on 15 minutes and confirmation was on 1 minute. So kindly watch this video closely and learn how I took this trade. So guys, for the market structure, I start with the daily time frame to look at what the daily time frame is doing, basically to have the direction of the market on the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. So here we can see the price has broken structure at this level. We see a break of market structure, bearish, and we see lower low. Price created a lower high, and then price found support here, and then from there price continued bearish. And here what do we have? We see a price running on liquidity, and since from there price created this price range, that price broke structure bullish at this point. So we have a break of market structure. At the same time, at this level, we see we have a breaker block here at this level. But right now, what we need to focus on, we need to identify within the price leg from this low to this high. We need to see where is price with possibility of either retracing, which is selling, or continue bullish. So what I did was, if you look at it, price started creating what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And as soon as price reached to this level, if you look at it, we see that price started selling. But how do we know that price will start selling? Is to look at the previous chart on the left side of the chart to see where are potential levels or levels where price can react from. That is why from market structure we see we have price level and reaction. So to easily do that is to go on your on the line chart, turn your chart to the line chart, and then you will find out that yes, we have a level. How do we see a level here? We can see here, we see this support level here, and we see another resistance level at this point. So what do we see, guys? We see price reacted at that level. And how do we confirm price reaction? Is to go back to the of candlestick and then move to the 4 hours time frame to see if we have what we call market structure shift, which is shift in market structure. Here on the 4 hours time frame, you can see this is a 4 hours time frame. We have established that price is reacting at at a price level. This is the price level. This is 2 price level we have. We are looking at either this price level or this price level, and unfortunate enough, price was able to react at this level. But how do you know that this is going to be a strong retracement back into this level here? Because we have from this low to this high, this is a price daily range. How? Because we have a strong low. What do you mean by strong low? We see price sweep running on liquidity below this level, and then we see a break of market structure. We see price return into a fair value gap and as well as a zone, and then we see this price move. So this is the daily range from this low to this high, we have a daily range, and we expect price to come back into the 50% retracement level. I'm not going to put the Fibonacci now because I don't want to make this video long. So here, what do we have? We see price reacting on the 4 hours. And how do you know that this price reaction will result to price coming back into this range? We see a market structure shift. What do you mean by market structure shift? We see a high. Price has taken this high that created this retracement. We see a break, is market structure shift low. What do we have here? Market structure shift low. And how do you confirm this is going to be a strong market structure shift low? We see a fair value gap, which tells us that the institutions are in the market. So we see this fair value gap here. We know that this is going to be a strong retracement here, because this is a confirmed market structure shift. So whenever you see a price level on the daily time frame, look out for price reaction at the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, and look out for market structure shift. And we have the market structure shift. So yesterday we see that price here, this was my trade yesterday on 4 hours, and what do we have here? We see this price retracement here. This is an order block, this is a zone, and then when price came back and take out this low here, we see price taking out this low. Price taking out this low here. We see that on the 4 hour time frame with a good fair value gap. This is to tell us that institutions are strongly involved in this market. We see this fair value gap. And then when price started retracing, this is where I entered my trade, aiming for what? This low resistance liquidity run, which is what? Where liquidity are residing. So let's get to the 15 minutes and see more detail on how I took the trade and the confirmatory entry on 1 minute time frame. So here on the 15 minutes time frame, this is how I entered my trade. And how did I do that? We see here when price breaks structure, this is market breaking structure low. We see here that we have a strong high. How is that we have a strong high? We see price sweeping this liquidity. And when price sweep this liquidity, we see price also create another what? Shift in market structure. Bearish. So price continue bearish. And when we were pulling back into this range, you see here, we see this what? This is an inducement liquidity because price is not supposed to sell here, and then they sold here. Meanwhile, because we have a sweep of liquidity and this is the order block, or you call it supply zone as the case may be, and price, as soon as price came here, I knew that yes, we're about to sell the market into our what? Into our 4 hours low resistance liquidity run. So here, from here, I move to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame. So I move to the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, we see that price created this high. Another high, we see a what? We see a break of market structure at this level. As soon as I saw this break of market structure, I knew that price is going to sell because we have this fair value gap at this level, and then price was supporting at this fair value gap. Then I now entered my trade at this level, and I enter another trade at this level, and then I entered another one at this point, and from there I sold the market down to this level. So guys, if you are not following this channel, kindly follow for more videos like this on how to take a trade. And I have a free Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group for free analysis on trading. So goodbye and see you in the next video.